Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mailchimp automation to create Salesforce leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Automations tab in the main menu. Click on the Create button to start a new automation. Select Custom Automation from the available options. Give your automation a clear and descriptive name. Click on the Add Action button to include the action for this automation. Select Send Email or any other desired action based on your needs. Design your email by choosing a template and customizing the content. After finalizing your email design, click Next to proceed. Now, go back to the Automations dashboard. Identify your newly created automation and click on it to edit. Look for the Integrations section and click on Integrations. Find Salesforce from the list of available integrations. Click on Connect next to the Salesforce option. Follow the on-screen prompts to log into your Salesforce account. Authorize Mailchimp to access your Salesforce data. Go back to your Mailchimp automation settings. Set up the specific action to create a lead in Salesforce. Map the fields from your Mailchimp audience to the lead fields in Salesforce. Ensure all mandatory Salesforce fields are properly filled. Test the integration by sending a test email or triggering the automation. Check your Salesforce account to confirm that the lead has been created successfully. Once everything is working, turn on your automation by toggling the activation switch. Your Mailchimp automation is now set up to create leads in Salesforce seamlessly. Congratulations on completing the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.